Hi everyone, Bruce Swartz here, host of this channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please be safe. We'll be streaming throughout the holidays. The videos never stop here. It's always Christmas here when you come here. And I want to thank all of you, a small reserved group of people that continually come back to this channel because you all believe in this research. You all know that all the truth is hidden from us. And when I say all the truth, it's all the truth. For me, Christmas is a time to reflect on everything that I've learned throughout the year, spend some time with people I love. I love you all more than you think. Thanks for being a patron. Thanks for becoming a member. For maybe taking the time to stop by, just watch a video, maybe even comment and subscribe to help this channel grow. Really appreciate the extra help, guys.